Tukete nage kubira itata tuwethikire. Karibu sana kire mubango ya chanchamuka na tukurikania ati shangwe ati 25 no yitite na mbere na no ure data battles nekethro yukumia kire uchinda 3 milioni imwe. Yvonne Wanjiko kuma Kiambu asindire milioni imwe ayikura data battles 320 yake. Pia wewe unaweza kuwa mshindi leo inya *544# kana inya *444# na withdraw kiura data bado iroka ura ikethro yikwa entry mwekire shangwe ati 25 na hii si ya kubahatisha. So uendelea na life yako kama kawaida itandukiene urainto reana till kanore na pay bill kano tumembecha directly utumire mchore uku tumire mamio kutwe diunkune tumire mtu ka kitu hapa na pale noko na entries cha withdraw yukumakire shangwe ati 25 Jumamosi ye green box of wonder ya Safaricom ikethro renterira ya Embu inakuja kupanguza wengine machozi na neyito kungu ina na bangi after jana. So nyuma ya kwithro bari ntereche mutuati na ntereresi ya lare green box of wonder ikethro ntereche Embu Jumamosi eje jitokeleze na withro ichinda mariko magaz mitu nini mbori ngoko witoka bangu kaibange dionkwene kwa sababu nayo hii lazima itasherehekewa. Shangwe ati 25 Safaricom bari kwira popote ulipo bai kungwela miaka 45 ya kwithro bai kuotungata utena obatiri kenyeji kila mahali.
Nani muthikiria nkwira okaire wethero kithugania kuria nkima tigira no gutumira mutujwa nice extra premium ni mutujwa kuruga nkima nthongi nkime ko yana mpu na kinya mushere jombi shori kuma kithikia nice rice millers mbabathiaga nkurukia nusu muchere juro magomwea na wakinyara nice digital city moya ni mutujwa kuthondekerwa na hii December lazima pia tukule chapo because why not no gure mutu au nice supermarket antwara kwena accommodation kwena fun park very modern hall ya mechemanio swimming pool nthongi na kwena Shell petrol station ijire otio totonya unyo maguta uremokena nontonyonya customer service ne kirasi kieguru antwara mikawa ne thatu na utonyo jiro kwenda nontotunga tena no bure bothongi no gakenera irio na service area in thongi wenda gwetia order ya mutu ringa 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 turuga tujinais na nice extra premium na kila time ni nice
yuko ibure ya kila kitu ende yani menya chabati reru nyanjirene
chabati nyaje na mirebe inki mabwana
ngoko reru ile ya daily
sasa thina tuikura
ndio nauliza ndi thiongo imbito karende sasa kama mnakula pizza mnakula kila Tuesday
nini yo pizza
kila Tuesday na Thursday
na unajua mwako jo December jori kuromba karaikara ka chabati wadhulungano menya karaiko gachoka chabati
Tejiri kiroketa nage kubira kenda muthikire karibu sana na ntukwira tukurokera mpumi chekithurano ithurano bira bete bikibuithwa ntere mwanya na kuringana na bora kuonekana ni ati ni ya ka broad based nyo ithirite kiombania itibira bingi especially tibia ubunge na keseneta kiraringa wa Baringo kiomba kwithwa kieta na UDA ntere cheka Sipul ODM bakuyukia ntere cha Magarini ODM bakuyukia Mbere North UDA bakuyukia in so many other places idabethiri tubakuyukia na rukirorwa retu na thojima wantu ya kisiasa nibuko tukwenda kwithwa tukiaranire na boru kirorwa re so seems like Celesio one term is just a dream as it is. Rugirorwa retrina Celesio turanirani muthoji wa mantu ya kisiasa na bwana Eric Mutweri ni muthoji wa siasa sia kibiashara kana biashara zi siasa political I mean economic political economists. Karibuni sana.
Asante.
Thank you very much.
Watu wamehesabu kura sana ndio maana ulimi imekuwa mzito kidogo. Arere kuitara. Okay, lewa.
You know, in my next life I think anka uriengo yengeteje.
Oni nyango chora mpomba ko detach na siasa. I am looking ngochwa economist, maybe you need to advise me. Ndeme kaira nkorone ko unda itanero sometimes back ndejo okua nda mitre nkorone ndite koraza mono na nkoro
so Celesio yeah kakuonekana one time is just a dream as it is
konto bomo mukuru kira itogira okaedia siasa emotional na ukareka ugore mu siasa echwa kura wa irui masses kirinde kiu gianto kikeja mucemanio jo waku
Kirume
Pamoja
ganto.
becha bejite.
kothori wa one time kiuga one time kirume kiria gikuruma
Right.
uthugania wina nto you
Wapi?
emotions
Yeah.
baumia ubete gi two time
Barume ganto.
barume kiria bakuruma in the decision ultimately ba me make
Yeah.
at the ballot na iri make one individual
Yes.
tikirinde so I think it's a running process ya nto ba one time ni nto ukarikana embuije immediately after impeachment ya Gachagua ibo bejire na mugambo jwa gitungati kothorikana
Gitungati 001.
001 nio gitungati ya mbererie na no boba ke rebellion yao no boba tumere development ya one time we developer time weu but no kuonete translate into votes iri kwendekana
Yeah.
ni untu gintu kionthe inya kothoro Martin bachindite na kamajin kanini a win is a win
A win is a win.
inye ketho ne one vote a
Unfortunately,
win
siasa nya kure mwe.
matters a lot so a win is a win and a loss is a loss
Yeah.
na kira na ndipo ukoona kikia capitalized at this moment kothoro one term is a reality ka an illusion na kwethirwa who is the kingpin
Yeah.
wa Mount Kenya East ndio tarere Mount Kenya as large ore kali no tukigero kirari Mount Kenya East na ugatega irari ndwa ya Gachagua na Kindiki asachi nyako tho barabara ngairo kuru wa Muthende na Karis but kigero kirari kiriu
Gachagua na Kindiki.
Gachagua na Kindiki na ki Gachagua na Kindiki nabo ki muringi kura becha is a factor
Oh, really?
ugeta ku campaign utina kanyamu nonto gatega kanyamu igachenjetie mantu muno michemanio ya Karis irera propelled ni Gachagua antu barauma batenyiri bwega nonto nabo barabera wewe kukura ni kwa Muthende kura ni kwa ni kwa Karis lakini te kurakarire
Yeah.
money is a factor na kia na siasa betu barabakarunga ma 2027 tubere be prepared eja wina kanyamu kotho kathugania kurungama please kotho tina kanyamu tigana
Tijera
hapo
pesa.
Na salesio ni wananchi bethiritwo bakithiurunka muno bakina inya one time inya wateka mitandao ni to so hyped Karishi aipo bonene mwankanto bona je ka chindire
mitandao itiringa kura na you know history is a lesson is a good teacher tucoke kimuntu wetagwa Peter Kenneth
Yeah.
twamuhaipire mitandao
Was a darling.
kwanza wasichana hii jenda yetu waliomuova hype
na bamweta handsome
Eh,
ikulingana cia translate kuma ki mitandao utechio nchoke nkurikanie muno muno ibarambakaga ki agency nambi walitokea
Baiku.
kupiga kura barabara umire kuringa kura as a fact kathono romba ku analyze kripi bora tureta ira KTV ni ekuru
yeah. Well, Gen Z kinyabi baraumire kibo barari nau na kwela maye no that.
aki ballot
They did not.
mea kura ti kuringa gituma kura ti kugera maiga kura ti kuruma na mtandaone kura ikumaka karatasi kale yes
Okay. Na Eric Salesio ariwa ati wethura no kwenda wita kuromba kura withiro wina kanyamu. I know uri among the 125 baraturera ero but
wale milionea
the 125 barabe no tonga ba 42 million you are among them lakini weno iritere good for you but Eric how come mwaka yoto ridai people but they okay about good leadership as Salesi wants to put it antu no bare wetakire utongeria bora maybe bomba kwitho bakiona ibobo bakauga kaboyo urampere ngiri kana mana tano or whatever it is
iboga muno and oni kimoni ja kwantu no bakwenda utongere bubwa na boibu ethirane na mbuga kira factors nantu tokateka democracy kuma kaumo kari democracy Greece ere antopongwa antubena thina kuchwa njira ira bomba ku represent na o kuma rira baraba tuthojete na mbije Salesio nyari mwarimu kona ari philosopher democracy
wait
ojo ari mwarimu kwa
Na.
tu bare tware kwa batiri
Oh.
ende are gurure are
kinyago are kaka ai abo gatorimbie bongaratanithie no tunkongeza
Sawa. Moving on swiftly.
ala
nande kuma kau democracy purely ere bumi philosophy anto kuga kenda tuchwa tongere baba yaga ere anka debate jo tukweja tukaria kenda rande tumba kujukia the best leaders ende kuma rere netere ke vuvaga nonto mbere kwa na direct democracy Greece na democracy unit anto bajaga mbije baraba ya Catholic beje kintu to ecclesia anto bajaga anto bonde baka ringa kura kuringana kira bakwende kethere kwita ndoene kethere kuthithia atia munka mwichone o philosophy ije kete kyonyanagia o tiga anto bonka ba durana kwina possibility kwitha na atongeria pateagiri ora kuga ni ati evolution and democracy continuous kinya thai no tugweta twikuragia democracy na ora tumba kuona utongeria bora bwagiri munka kinya level twambe kuria ekethirwa meli tobati kuchwa mtu we skilled niki ora tu utongeria ndiguru atebati kuthura mtu we skilled kira mamba kuga na in total ni ati thina era twineo tonto tugatege goro kimoni jakwa na barabonete tv ne irare gunism irare tutona siasa kariujo chia it like everything depends on it anto kura na makobi eu ne kuridigerinya democratic expression non turukire tukwambe kuona tv turambire kuigwanga kwe aspirant umizerwa na kinyo muringi kura otumera kuringa kura ima atogataka oranto baromere ke this by election turnout are very low very poor na mucho ja discussion eje onde na kira kugenda correlate na kaumoka democracy ne ati Aristotle augire the law should rule no kona tutebati kutiga anto kiumbe kana one of the voters ethwa no kuturul isheria ebati kuthithia ata ebati kuturul nonto onike maoni jako mantu ajara karekire goro ni against constitution ya Kenya article 81 ere kwetikiria antu baringe kura bongwa na their own expression jo jange jakaibanga whether ketho one term kana ketho two term but antu abarekerwe in their own free space nenko watana na bangi nonto baba ingi then Kenya bakwaria tukiugaga IBC nonto neo implement the rule of law nonto IBC na capacity ko disqualify candidates yato kada tokare mantu ja planted voter barebari tukona antu ko kuingwa ne wananchi nonto kako romi antu mbecha ima ora my brother na my seniors Alessio kuga ni reflection ne ora mantu jakari but teo aspiration na itumete safari ndaja eko establish democracy na kuringa nani eje irare tu it is a shame na isham na mbuga non tukwena toga sheria na ave non tukwena possibility but baraba ikanya ka regulate sheria kana elections ya IBC inkuga they are failing na ekethwa no twetete we will not have a nation not to antu bado bana werigiro inkuga mantu ja Gen Z ja kiarwa but tutege barabara ngakura this period about a register Gen Z batrai bako tonyitho kembio ke system na antu abandere kuandarate Gen Z nonto kinyare ya Gen Z bomere against the finance bill antu boga ima tujatiura batijataurere elections
iba kujokia kura for maybe for 2027
elections ikadhidwa dai gutena mass voter registration dai jiteka Gen Z nyabo by very kinyabo baraba kwenda kuchange kura mbuga ara register kura ukaenda go change by 2027 a lot is happening na according keoni Gen Z factor is still a major factor na kethro etro na kana this by election kwina factors chitomete kethro kithigiata
Fair enough.
ikionekana.
Fair enough. So, Celestio, you know, kintu mtu aba kwithirwa aichura chithaa ini as much as tukua democracy and all that, but you see tukiolelea at the bigger picture, the bigger picture au ni antu barabongwa beyite kuromba kura na akuweta mantu ya IBC kwithirwa you know iki crack the whip kitu ni mbakodi ni atiri would they dare crack the whip you know kwina mtore au somewhere na kuthiato nontu bwa mamba fulani but IBC will clear this person kwina mtu wewe ineamba au the IBC will clear this person.
Martin togira katibeni yetu katibete ya IBC katibete leaders bato dhurite ni yetu tutuingwa mbere maja wananchi tutukufera nontu tutubati kutho tukireta these checks and balances ibangana turaumira itukumenya all those pitfalls ichirario wa muthende ituije EACC neugite aka cleared IBC mu clear antu bongo bakuma mbere north ibangana bareta ba contest yontobo otoe teu inya agency ra tukuga to tare agency go kwa this country ibai kubaraumira bara is that issue number 2 kurari na that voter violence discrepancies irirario campaign iraringa go mwanke gororukiri antu
Na
bene
chingi.
na chingi 3 to 48 hours na chingi campaign kuringo mwanka polling station mtu na witekirite colors cia ngwe colors cia kiama iririgiritu ikiama but ibangana bakumira to rule of law no one is above the law tumira to point that through the structured norms chia ku complain utoe.
But you see on the other side also ni tuonere violence ikia meted against
ne nkwarereria violence uri atomikode mwake lakini action iri kutugo take legal steps cha kuhakikisha kwa capped menya kwegintu mbera gantu okuona ni irregularity happen but otiomba kuga IBC ongwa on its own motion ekajo kiambi
Italia
ekajo kietagaria lazima complain ye filed that's what the act states otiomba kuga ni onto ikurare na clearance ya candidate na EACC ugete na gambare kotini othugania kwe action yani kana gintu ja court kana any other branch ikagwa mtu na rae elected kuna irari na irregularity.
So Celestio,
lazima kudho kwena mtu.
Are you telling us
yes.
IBC ni blind, deaf and dumb?
I'm not saying it's blind and deaf and dumb. Sheria na lazima idhingato Martin. Na ke sheria urikari you must have a complaint. Anko example. You must take facts. Utetana hiases. Example ya kithurano gya kiago by election area ya kiago. IBC etaije kabobo na mwenda nchamba may God rest him in peace. Iba clear still but they declare they are civil servants. Until I took a step ya go complain by the investigation na by the hearing ya all the parties na by the candidate na bora bwareo. So IBC etiomba kujukia on its own motion. Lazima kudho kwena mtu ukaumira kanantu bakaumira
abere 1 2 3
abere 1 2 3 with evidence.
I tend to differ now kidogo Celestio respectfully.
Yes.
Because IBC ye na sheria yicho the Eric. They know their mandate. Niba kumenya mtu abati kwa cleared akiakwithwa te civil servant. Iba kumenya mtu wina a criminal ninyo atibati kwa cleared. They know all this.
Yes.
But then why does it have to take me
muringi kura
woni muringi kura or an outsider mbeya mpeta koti nikienda IBC act on a law that is so clear unto them?
That's what the law states, unfortunately. the procedure utiumba go skip the procedure lazima kutho kwina complaint filed ukatho te complaint ila file no action will be taken.
Okay,
But clear mtu njibatega.
Celesio.
But
Step by step.
get document.
Step by step, Celesio.
Chitega
This person is civil servant.
Yes.
Ata resigned medire abati kwithwa resigned.
Eh.
Ni tonto IBC yomo clear. I do not have to go to court
Menya
where IBC mto
kwena
yone.
instruments itumairwa
Yeah.
arachitumira ndirachitumira kenda wa cleared ni IBC na ki instruments hizi wetaga kwa EACC okonjoriria form wetoka jokia police what good conduct form ugeta nayo wetoka jokia CR itagwate ya KRA compliance ukonjoriria ugaikia those na papers batagaga so te akaba kaandikira those relevant bodies to confirm and we know people go and collude so for them they make decisions kire evidence ira baikirua ne the candidate ira bokiria kotho candidate ikirie evidence a contrary nore kwena opinion in the public IBC will clear but then again no raikia opinion a contrary na ira ikirue this candidate were clear utolaikia so IBC utomba koregere thithi atia it take that action.
Fair enough.
Yes.
Eric, at some point, still on Rwarioro, Standard newspaper, kuandika endline inaubaua wa Muthende na scandal ya some 600 and something millions and the oxygen ite yoki hospitali fulani. The following day, actually that same day, CS Roko orawa campaign era wa Muthende na civil servant. Yira arawa Standard ekwethia wa Muthende MP. This one will make him an MP. Non to bamanto yabo uwa bwandika. You know the kind of society that we live in. A civil servant akwe yokada. You know
Openly.
Well, ingo itikia frustration ratu enyo.
Yeah.
Na kaire my brother nakuga role ya IBC. Na tuena role active citizenship. Nonto ima kira justice rate onekana through yaraja agiri. Dena responsibility. Inyani ngwa kuita ku competition. Inde kwe manto jamwe kethoro koreu ijaka tutena an actual independent electoral commission nonto kethera voter bribery manto jawu jombo kareka na police iko manisha no tuite tutuka storm any establishment munga akimtu ate complain ijaka tutomba kwa arrested na tomba ko didi ate tomba kwa prosecuted jangeja quality itokuwa equality rekwe leaders tukuona yani kuka mage kana bad practices ichecho tutura atongeria ende kira tugere rule of law constitution yetu kuitanguke ni anto baka athandi eno tuturuga i sheria bat kutiti ata otaka kemantu ya jonde kira ke ko fail i implementation of our constitution institutions kuitanguke ikino ndo kuona mtu are governor are CS akumera ku campaign ere absolutely against the law.
Is there at a place that Tubati could blame Muringi Okura at some point?
Muringi Okura kare kashoti nende Muringi Okura nowe ke democracy nowe munene ndo democracy rule by the people.
Yes.
Nonto gote democracy gote antu gote democracy gote sauti Muringi Kura nonto ende Muringi Kura kakweja ka intimidate na ikendo ndo kuga mantiaja karekete daini against article 81 ere kuga Muringi Kura ayewe freedom against whether gotena violence duress leo kaikia government machinery honde in a ward what are you doing you think what intimidation ande kiratu kuga isheria yetu kuitanguke na ikeno ndo tukuga the back stops at IBC na ingwete kaneria na bana Salesi inyatu tu citizens no ndo akira no ndo kinya kwena very powerful segment kana kiri aringi kura para beto middle class kwereka area middle class a week system tuena tendency ta tokata ki dictatorship kana twite extreme democracy ni ira tukuthurirwa atongere bara bateagire na eno kuona middle class ibo stability ya democracy ibo sauti rero kaethira antu bara tukugaga bate kwana othe bameri ikithio ba ku make the actual decisions twina thina kou basically the nera twenio i structure na participation yetu twingwa enya no yoto ko Kenya challenge bado ke baba gwita Gen Z muringi kura amenye mwichone no tukinyana are nyeketha itukware mantu ja intimidation bado muringi kura nowe independently gweta karingai no ngekethwa ndu tutumba kumenya ethera results ichumirite ichiko represent kauma the voice of the voice of the people.
Salesi mbiratiri now that makarika ya ndoa wagia na all those not very pleasant things ya karika ya yorokiri kithurano ki mtu no ete kotini kalemi ya okira ete kotini akawa kithurano ki ni kirari na ndwa nyingi sana ukona ni evidence mtu na aratururo mutwe samwe na MP ungi na arejire akenda kuhonga antu kurungi no ora inyire mtu nkingo samwe in very north mtu no ete kotini akawa kithurano ki kiteanirwe no ntu kirari na violence
definitely na peja na example ya Magarini Magarini batwira batina MP since 2022 na mtu wetere koti au kithurano gitari free and fair na gwatuika gikwa nullified court na gikwa nullified gwatuika gichokero that was the order na ni uria kutari na a properly constituted IBC with the full commissioners Magarini batombere kithurano kia guchokero ni ndikira chokero tha iji the same case ukomba ku compile good evidence uketho ina a good petition in court chionte no chie nullified na rakora na that violence ni untu ojore elikia kuga one of the basis ya democracy ni kutha kwina free and fair election ukomba go prove ge court ati kithurano kiu gitirari free gitirari fair ikurari na state machinery na sheria very clear mtu civil servant atina kanyaga kuringa kura kago campaign actually completely na kurigirwa speaker of the National Assembly speaker of the Senate they should be non-partisan na batibati kuonekana siasa ene lakini turabona bakiringira anto ba broad based thirikari candidate campaign which is against the law so okomba kutho kwina mtu kumira akagatha that evidence na komba kumeprove before a court of law no be nullified.
Nowadays you're too busy tionekana kotini na wena
we miss him kuna siku tulikusengenya tukasema Salesho ametulia
you're too busy
I'm happy that people are missing me.
we are iwe ndo tarara matini na hata Salesho yakiri atufurahi
ndio tutakuwa na headline ile cheo hero wala
ankareri maukuki
arego madoma actually on that note Salesho tukuranagia na gichungia na urio torania kana maybe poverty levels ira chientorene chieto the reality and maybe illiteracy could it be also a factor negochangia kirimantu jaja outcome for example chiegoro
that's very true Karimi ogatagenya voting pattern irera riegoro the elite teromereringa kura in towns kurira nyingi ira delivered from the villages na ogatega thirikari state machinery ira ije mono inya mitwire era nenkanairwa itanenkanairo towns iranenkanairo vijiji ogatega malava ibanenkerwa matrix yecho tuko yani KGOK ituonere ke mitandao ibanenkerwa matrix.
Don't forget bele baraba tindana na indakwa kiri mchunjo ibaerwe ngwe umwetre South Africa ngeta Uganda batomererwe adharani tuko eororea tukwira campaign
chathiraga nkeja ke that point so ogataka inaira eja nago in the villages nara ntorene na baije antu baraba umaira kuringa kura te akuru ni ekuru na ekuru nabo they are very faithful mono in the village ibaije oni matini agonenkera chiringi 50 nkarego muringira kura nkagwa to kirumi That's their belief. So ora karimi akuango konka point ya illiteracy na poverty not unless tumire tuthithia proper civic education no tukikia bakwaga bamenya dia yes bere itho bamenya their right bamenya awanenkero chiringi 50 iji gatuma miaka ingi 5 wagembi maendeleo na ugote kuringa ni untu bwa 50 uti kuringa kura ni untu bwa mutu uti kuringa kura ni untu bwa mattress ureringa kura kenda wona barabara wona roje wona cibitari njega not unless tumire twinthe a combined effort to the civic education especially lisabu chieto
you know civic education yeje Eric ntikumya kethure koro kinyilari mwananchi because first of all I am very sure kwe mtu wokari in somewhere ati katiba ya Kenya ne chapters yana I'm very sure either ne an elite kala mtu ntora somewhere they do not know katiba ya Kenya ina chapters yana kwe mtu wokari in somewhere ati kumenya kethroa ni watho boyo kubukaretie IBC uti kumenya kwethroa a civil servant ati bati kwethroa kiringa campaign kuri mtu we somewhere they do not even care you know sheria chia as long as mtu yu atiko watu iborisi aingelwa ndene they are okay you know these people so it is civic education ye yomba kwana and who is supposed to give the civic education nonto I thought at some point maybe Idrikare or Antome it is not
well aspect man to jaja civic education jari tumono kuma tukiambe katiba ya campaign ya 2010 anto bakara bamenye katiba kenya bamenye ketha bakethora ba orange kana
banana
civic education ni ongoing kinyaja we got discussion out no eco enlighten mtu arari and the factors ni nyingi non to ngwetekaniria poverty major issue kino ndo kwera outcomes cha democracy chithuka bono area kwina antu by lower in the economically kana batena information jaito kwa political information kana ambino ntukuga kenda kioto kirungama sheria ne bati kuthingatiro tutoka tukona twina institutions either chi weak by design kana orachi athurirwo antu baketha by corrupted non tukethirwa tutukumba kwa achievement jaja jonde ikomanisha system zire nyato ka educate nyato bakimenyaga itukumenya ende tukona antu barithia impunity so buga everyone let us continue concerting efforts ataalamu institutions na mono the call for active citizenship active citizenship irirea kintu gya karika jauto kwa magarini na nangi mtu akaumira ageta kotini kena ntu bamenya ntu kirato kwa entrench that very dangerous na discussions inamba mbete kuona online na ki media ne ati ingwetikia there will be many people going to court nonto bwa kithurano giki karikite nonto to can leave month jari unattended jaga tigo 2027 ikethero e Gaza yani orawe na guns baraba inge no gachinda ko it needs to be arrested right now kenda nonto chiurie mtu orawe mbere thai au ne muturi orauma na tarimbo akaba thangikia alafu kuketho tiko kirakarika
baketa baibange beje
exactly so what if civic education zaidi consequences mtu athithiojo alafu umenye nonto anto bonde ngiti eketherwa gote sheria kinyoa
ima
na watu marete ote mtu kwanda kujoke kintu kiungi i sheria yetu metutomba kwethora twena order eketherwa nkamya kiki akwa no toga nobody can tunya me inde eketherwa gote sheria eketherwa gote repercussion then results eketherwa achieve very into kumono but ande to encourage aja
and speaking of repercussions either ne urengi together tukiariria repercussions chia kithurano especially kia mbere what it means kiri both opposition na kiri thirikari excellence
kidogo kwa civic education mbere tuona thirikari enak civic education nä thithagua na inya må no kothobo arikana ndeire kwa the rise of the young tax akina James Orengo kina Kiraito Murongi akina Gitobui Manyara na kanisa ni very active in educating people manto ya civic education kothobo arikana that liberation so civic education nkegwatana my brother it's a deliberate action ijokito ni antu baba bati kwithirwa beto ya that civic education bagakira bongwa unfortunately kanisa ni ekirire ni ingire metho ni ingire mato na one of responsibility kio cha jamii ite tuthithaire civic education so kanisa irerio ni ukire thaa ici ni thithiria anto civic education onto every Sunday they in touch with these people they in touch with our people number 2 the civic society civic world the civil society. The civil society and to better activists but they are civil society organizations ile nyingi ciatonyere miukone ya thirikari ibetere gitandene na thirikari so ni onto nabo bagukira kuingirwa misaanda bati kumbo criticize the government the current government bati kumbo kinyira mwananchi bamunenkera the correct civic education uraia ina yetere ne turitana manto ya katiba no gateka copies ile nyingi twari na chio cha katiba it publish
uraia actually kinyao ni uraia bampere katiba copy kwa katiba
ina betre so matina kuga civic kuraga kuritana wananchi civic education antubabe na instrument na paritas na be na capability ibongo badithite deliberate action kana intention bakiri deliberately kuraga
kwe mtomo wa propose katiba iritanwa chukuru yora CRE iritanwa wantu betanwa CRE kana ARE
actually that debate is there that debate is still there it's still alive
it took a unit
from primary school to the university
the only they naomba kujira au ni acts of parliament ilibe every other day
you see acts of parliament they anchored ke katiba itiomba kwethura iti anchored ke katiba so kethura akiuritani elements cia katiba
na
basics cia katiba na ore kuga at least atiri karo umira na umbere ukethura ukimenya something
about wikura ya sana nacio tukwenda tunoka kidogo alafu atutukiria tuchoka some another 45 minutes or so lakini Logan Day arua atiri Mount Kenya East sio lada ya kutumiwa kupima uzito wa Kikuyu na government huko kwao wako na 2 ways za barabara walitengenezewa na mtoto wao Uhuru hadi barabara ya Maumau Road ya Meru walichukua sasa wanataka kutumia Meru kupiga government hiyo iko leo tuendelee kuwa kwa magoti yao no way wakapime huko kwao kabisa aritwa Logan Day Jona Thirengi arua na wetikaniria mantu yetu kwa aria na engineer Mwambia Amington arua my best TV host in Mount Kenya thank you very much arua Martin na Karimi asante sana engineer arua anyway yesterday speaks much about our state of leadership in Kenya as young upcoming leaders I can say we have a lot to do in the villages we live in there is a lot of voter bribery and manipulation happening in our land. All we need is our civic education to be done. But you see, sometimes Eric, mtu naremwa kumenya kwethwa ni Jericho yo are because baraba ingi most of the times mtu akiochindwa wa kakure ile yire ikurari na voter bribery. So sometimes the line is too thin.
Yeah. Somebody sorry. Gare kwa kuna mtotho au atire batu jaringi kura tutemenyaga ni BABC ethithagia imbi thingatere kithithia clearance ya candidate aringi kura baraba ingi ni illiterate kana semi illiterate 90% ya citizens both literate and illiterate unfortunately batije imbi rekatibene bo baretero mtu bakero ujo akukiliwa ni ABC mtu akaendelea na campaign
na you see tochoka also twenda kumenya atire kura ni bati kwethura cia nene you know Eric wewe na biashara ciaku somewhere na kure ku ikethura ya nene na woni ntere ya kinyoti you know Salesio you have a big institution somewhere that you pay so huge taxes so twajuri atiri kure kude bati kwithwa ya nene na ya karimi wote umaira jirene the only tax omba kuria nange mwate kana sukari
akigurandukene tuchokerete muthikiria
6.4 wendo ni kumiria wendo mutitaraga mothukia wendo muti urongo wendo ni kurekanira
jaigwaka ukijukia mwiki nagemetwe guochia kugweria metho muthenya junthe gukuruka gwa kanicha kurikithia katho ni mata na mechietio Twitter reception wimbo komata Mugithi Frilinda na kanongo tebia gutigero nyuma Anchenga na chio na Moreo Jungwa
Nuiti Wero TV na Wero FM isyo station iria itongeretero terero apa Eastern nontoba ogwe itugwikumiria kwithira turi na mashabiki nkurukia 50% ya barabonaga Wero TV na kuthikira Wero FM 96.4 kuringana na motwiria jara yetagwa aja ni onja yongwa aria ugatumiria biashara yaku na wona matunda kinyawe ugakena aja Wero utikenge iugwake turingire gukurukira 0707 065 kana utume email kere commercials@werotv.co.ke.
Clap your hands, all you people.
God can change your life. You can be able to cry like Jacob. I won't let go. I won't let go because I want you to change me.
KCC will be sending base of missionaries across the country in parts of Africa.
That is the transformed mind of Caleb. Because when you have a transformed mind, you know the goodness of God.
If you are a mother and you are here and your children are not going okay, we will cry for them to Tawalilia until God brings them on the line. God will wipe our tears.
Lord go with you. May the Lord give you rest in everything. God take care of everything. Hallelujah.
Amen. Must change. It is a Gibeon. People will be connected to destiny. That is why we are talking about knowing Jesus the more.
Na ikia tumitukwarire mantu jege kumenya Jesu nkuruki.
Alright, muthikĩrĩria kabisa na ndene mũbango wa Chanchamuka kwambĩrĩria thaa ici mwaka thaa 4 tũrĩaja twĩna mantu katota. It's a good morning bitawa karini.
Wewe bitawa mato karibu sana kile na hizo mũbango wa Chanchamuka twĩna mwakikie thaa 4
breakfast bado
tine na watu wengine mind ya kwenu kwararatia.
Yeah, uturene gukaria atia mugema na rwimbi uturugirite murume na yote tukoyotheri.
Can you imagine on tuko Kenya tukethwa tukirea irandu bilioni 5 na milioni ya rimwe on tuko
okira rokire we choko goronja
ukurea 5.1 billion
kuna disox moja
Mubango ni Chanchamuka ndani ya Wero FM 96.4 turene chararatia
kila kiregia Anduraku
breakfast kagendo atithikirire Chanchamuka chai etikariko
twende tukanywira mbere tuthikirite
ageni na makodhathi ja utuku
ngira bora mam nimeshiko airport na Anduraku
karamu
iko mantudereja utuma kagendo atachairiko
ikiwe Chanchamuka tukathikire ngari
Chanchamuka be man
Mubango ni Chanchamuka ndani ya Wero FM 96.4 Chanchamuka kumathai muri mwankathenya sharukire Wero FM ya mwanagwe
Africa Eco Locked on Wero TV. Wero TV is now shining beyond borders across Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Malawi and Zimbabwe on Azam TV channel 342. Africa iko locked on Weru TV.
Bawa siasa ni mchezo moro ndio umenye siasa weji ni utoro ko siasa no shire ta weti na mbere nyo tukariria siasa iji na weti na mbere bo twakarandi na tongeria bankati tionde kuma maturene na kinya ome account chietu nikienda tumba kumenya na kuthoma kuma kiribo.
We are all united.
Pia tuna basari ya watoto orphans.
Ti wote tiumbo kinyela kuma bunge magavana maminister rais na kinya tongeria barutere roreani.
Ikiwa tutaendelea bila kushughulikia swala la madeni, hii kazi yote tunafanya itaambukia patupu.
Poro kinya level executive yete tandene na legislature.
Historia yangu na kinara wangu Raila Amolo Odinga zinafanana.
Niwaeleza serikali tunataka kuunda pamoja na watu wa Meru ni serikali ya Koga na Kogwithia. Martin. Asante sana.
William Samoei Ruto nikiri mubango yo chungikie siasa kwambiria thaitha tuchio tuko.
Let me tell you, deputy president kako deputy president ame ndio rais.
Okay, ngone president Ruto wena deputy kaita kachagua wanakara gereke
utengurani ya president na deputy president.
How can we work together to restore the lost glory of Meru?
Nani bibi kareta kiraito muronge muambi manyara kyameneu kya baski ongo kina nkucha nimbe ibapita munya medical lentorio. Tell me ni bibi kareta antoba antoamu.
Na mwananchi na ndio tayari kusupport kia makio lakini politiko hiyo si antoba bara bodura MPs bonda baito toro. President nuwa bakarire mitoyo batumire kwa kinyume cha president. Meru dhaike kumia. Wewe chamaza na MPs bobo they must go home in Jesus name. I'm sorry, agogoro kile bwata.
Ichungikie siasa mwanki.
Nataka muniombee. I'm going through a lot of problems.
Nonto mwana gori sukuru ayino karambeta na muratu kuma kiongo utenda kuona mwana ogu
kuma kirente turika rikantore ne chietu
ire twede na mwana nonto akonjira tutenjagirwa leuda ayino bakweja nonto itanenjwa lewa na mbuli aula ntiko mabogero karingerani eu nonto yonde enjoletwa nonto tutanenjirwa barabara tiyo kuma tutwere ona babongo batoraje batoria tere netodura nagani anto baiko batoduraga na unjera iwete tanenjwa
weta chaki mandiguru.
Na tumeambia polisi mtu yoyote mwenye atakaribia police station piga yeye risasi.
Mtu kama huyo apigwe risasi miguu.
Nteto cha Weru chiedhero ireo.
Unajua mtu wa Soprano nani? Yule wa nyinyi anaulingana niko besi. Mimi sina besi.
Mimi ni noma si noma. Mimi ni fire si fire.
Kirindiguru ara umaibubu kwende kankurukia jangi jonde batu tuidhara tureo.
Hapa ni one time. Hapa tigani ya ishi.
Indire byure byakubikwenda machokyo tukuenjenjera na gukuretera jo. Chemania na baraba kuretera nteto cia Weru. Iji ni team ira tutinoga kuria netunoga gukumakira. Nteto cia Weru itikuretera uraikarikire aki ende nkurukine tukuretera gitumi ikarikire.
Community ibedre to barisete alam
intuko chonde de mwana nusu chiogoro na daida tuna nusu chiogoro kiri station ya kwira wendete. Weru TV romore rwa Ameru.
Weru TV na Weru FM isho station ile itongere terero apa Eastern nontoba ogwe ituwikumiria kwithira turi na mashabiki nkurukia 50% ya barabona ga Weru TV na kuthikira Weru FM 96.4 kuringana na motwiria jara yetagwa aja ni onja yongwa are ukatumiria biashara yaku na wona matunda kinyawe ugakena aja Weru utikenge iugwake turingire gukurukira 0707 065 kana utume email kire commercials@werutv.co.ke.
Africa iko locked on Weru TV. Weru TV is now shining beyond borders across Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Malawi and Zimbabwe on Azam TV channel 342. Africa iko locked on Weru TV.
bawa siasa mchezo moro ndio umenye siasa weji no toro ko siasa no shire ta weti na mbere nyo tukariria siasa iji na weti na mbere bo twakarandi na tongeria bankati cionde kuma maturene na kinya ome account chietu nikienda tumba kumenya na kuthoma kuma kiribo.
We are all united.
Pia tuna basari ya watoto orphans.
Au ti wote tiumboke yele kuma bunge, magavana, maminister, rais na kinya tongeria barutere roreani.
Ikiwa tutaendelea bila kushughulikia swala la madeni, hii kazi yote tunafanya itaambukia patupu.
Kwa kinya level executive yete tandene na legislature.
Historia yangu na kinara wangu Raila Amolo Odinga zinafanana.
Niwaeleza serikali tunataka kuunda pamoja na watu wa Meru ni serikali ya Koga na Kogwithia. Martin. Asante sana.
William Samoei Ruto. Nikiri mubango yo chungikie siasa kwambiria thaitha tuchio tuko.
Let me tell you, Deputy President, kako Deputy President ame ndio rais.
Okay, ngone President Ruto, wewe na Deputy Kaita Gachagua wanakara gereki.
Kuthingurani ya president na deputy president.
How can we work together to restore the lost glory of Meru?
Nani bibi kareta kiraito muronge muambi manyara kyamene ukia baski ongoke na nkucha nimbe ibapita munya medical torio. Tell me ni bibi kareta antoba antoamu.
Mwananchi na ndio tayari kusupport kama kio lakini politiko hiyo si antoba bara todura MPs bonda ba totoro. President nuwa bakarire akarire mitoyo batumire kwa kinyume cha president. Meru dhaike kumia. Wewe chamaza na MPs bobo they must go home in Jesus name. I'm sorry, I don't go to gwata.
Ichungikie siasa mwangi.
Ninaomba kwa jina la Yesu. Raundi kuanzia sasa. Hautakuwa kama bila tena. Hautakuwa yule wa kawaida. Utaleta injili. Utaleta faida kwa injili. Tunakubariki Mwenyezi Mungu, tunakuita mwamba usibara utele, pokea utukufu mama na bagani. Ni sisi sasa Yesu anaambia hata nikichelewa kuja kwenu hii barua ambayo ni Biblia iendelee kuwatia moyo. Hata nikichelewa kurudi hii Bible iendelee kuwa ni courage. Ujai mwanaume achomete fire.
Can change your life. You can be able to cry like Jacob. I won't let go. I won't let go because I want you to change me.
KCC will be sending base of missionaries across the country in parts of Africa.
That is a transformed mind of Caleb. Because when you have a transformed mind, you know the goodness of God.
If you are a mother and you are here and your children are not going okay, we will cry for them tutawalilia until God brings them on the line. God will wipe our tears.
Lord go with you. May the Lord give you rest in everything. God take care of everything. Hallelujah.
Amen. It must change. It is a Gibeon. People will be connected to destiny.
That is why we are talking about knowing Jesus the more. Na ikia tumitukwarire mantu jege kumenya Jesu nkuruki.
Wendo ni
kumiria wendo butitaraga mothukia wendo buti urongo wendo ni kurekanira
jaigwaka ukijukia mwiki nagemetwe gucia kugweria metho muthenya junthe gukuruka gwa kanicha kurikithia katho ni mata na mechietio Twitter reception wimbo kumata mugithi fririnda na kanongo tebia gutigero nyuma hanchenga na chio na murio jungo
Waikwa nkombo cia mithega imbibi vyongwa pia ya mathwaniene yaku ana beombithi ne nyanto ba kurebe ichukumete yotumiri bonda wa chembogita nonto boitumi mwanya baba ingi ba matokera gontu yontu ya kogote na antu ne bokenda bakitha bakimunta bakimeriana bange kinyabe kuchia dawa kilo tumiri bonda wichembogita baba ingi batete oturobo jatia thangalana na bangi borira streetini wachia kurea wichiaria watane na ni wini wa kingero ntuko chionde cha Jumapili kwambiria thaa 12:30 na rankulo kinyanka dangi kuretera ataalamu begenda wichembogita ni bokenda bakethra betu tara
kaigi muno ndawa ni facility ta kana nyitirigam igo kuchura janjobi ni induce depression
ugatha muntu eruga mutungi agekira kiorone akaitha ku muntu renye mo kumenya eta ukura kabulika mutaro ngina ari na mutungi kunusu
nya shari batweke good example no ntokore ashari bamwe bari a very bad example mwana akurirenja ithe akunywa bangi akunywa thigara akunywa nchobi akeja kuruma no tuko
kulo kitu atirito kwarania na tubarapo kumete cyo tumiri boda wa chembogita
mugaza ijwa uma mugeberu bia sumuni you know my life I messed it na chiringi jere na sumuni
ko ndageretie suicide attempts maitaja mainge ngurukia maitaja tatu kana jana rero tigana na nchobi kana ndawa shembe cia kuredi shambogita murungu akagwarura the face kwa piara no tukinyanira hiji I'm smiling
Hey baba Lord marema one and only the giver of life
buji ibwaga sana muthikiria wa Weru FM 96.4 nyonto bakugwatanira naoni Antipuri kiri mubango jwakana ka Weru tukwe narwa aria ngengenda muciari etekiria mbithirwa ngicetha na kana. What would you like to be when you grow up?
A teacher,
an artist,
a doctor.
Wow. Ne mani kokareo kuma thoshi mwankanto nyere ara tuigwira irua kutheka matinda mwanya na ndwembo mwanki na kutha tukina turwembo ja tatamu kenkerinkima kaba kurarira nkima nkurukia kurarira muthere katujukie thimu kana kawero hello nobui yangu umeitanulia mbali mubango jwakana ka Weru juamba ya kuma thaa imwe mwanka thaa 4 cia rukiri kiri Weru FM tuko chionda cha Jumamosi naoni Antipuri.
We love Kana ka Weru show. Yeah!
Nuiti Weru TV na Weru FM isho station iria itongeretero terero apa Eastern nontoba ugwe itugwikumiria kwithira turi na mashabiki nkurukia 50% ya barabonaga Weru TV na kuthikira Weru FM 96.4 kuringana na moturia jara yetagwa aja ni onja yongwa aria ugatumiria biashara yaku na wona matunda kinyawe ugakena aja Weru utikenge iugwake turingire gukurukira 0707 065 000 kana utume email kire commercials@werutv.co.ke.
Usishindane na mwenye neema ni thaa ithatu muthikirecia twika ndeka 17. Karibu sana mutegeri wa Wero TV okaire tutha tugita ndeka inkai tugayome hapa na pale nonto nayo ithurano inini birombere kwithura bikirika igoro ashindi bethero bagitumirwo no turuciuria atiri mbere kinya ithurano birika iturona kithurwa kindi kiare kirira tirine na rari mungengene na Wero terero rungiri gathi wakashagwa na radhi runka kiuga ni melok mlima batize ka mulima jo jukoneka je ka jo tari locked boy gama nonto really nyirare ataitre utomba ko muigno Martin nonto bwa kure yu baratiganire achini nkai muno but at the same time is the mountain really locked. Mbere twethira tukiariria mantu jo muthikiria kankwire ringa 0729661667 kana 0755200197 kwethira kijogorira mutu waku jo ankima Jonice extra premium na muchere jo bishori kuma nice rice millers moya no kethira gikinya ntwara ne mutu jo kuthondekerwa no mbe kwethira gitonya kwinanya kieni kinene muno BNB thongi muno be bia thona mirano na kinya mutu jo renderwa wau na ndakwira December no monka tombe kwethira tukire kinya mutu jo chapati ko utigira no kwethira kiringa 0729 661-667 kana 0755-200-197 gweka odeku.
Well, that week look at the inyanya. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Na karimi ariwa utumba ku ignore Gachagua. While I think he calls to be ignored because Rigathi Gachagua nedritwe aichia kambicha na Kenya supporters bake bamwikira mbitene ya mto, a ground master. Na wewe ngwaru wa skiza ground, he should have known that wamudhende neti tochinda. Na kure area ke, as he says, ni Kirimara, as nanga atwira atire, we ni king wa Mount Kenya West. Brian Ochiona ni atwira atio Mount Kenya East, because the hype ira edri to enyo na isiona ni ati wenwe kuwa Mount Kenya, then it calls to be ignored, non to boko idru na rachindirwe. But again on the other side niyo dirikari turete machinery yonde ya dirikari, including CSs, including the second in command. The second in command kintu bukira bomba ko manage ni kurang manayana, difference ya manayana, then really Eric.
I think political factors ichirachedera na we cannot ignore. Non to Mount Kenya, either East kana West, era 100% UDA zone. Na rande da ire karaja kairi ire battleground. Na no kona we knew it compelling will. Nyeke da itukuga non to ataka presidential level election. Implication new eka onyanya ke 2027. Non to take well no rande ko na rande extension a broad base. Non to ODM niombete ko retain positions chayo. Kenya Wiper has performed very well.
Yeah.
DCP ekodera a very fairly party kuringana ni ene performance bwa kanon to MCA seats kujokia a number of them. Kuringana UDA ambirie the by elections that occurred kaya amba kuchinda na in 2020 earlier before 2022. Everyone I talk back the drawing board. United opposition non to unity united opposition ekagulua iko balance egos non to DCP regina rera the namo nona ke united
right I know right ikireta thina sana ke united opposition
regina mbere I kinyaba kote arikia nande that is very important for 2027 kenda ba measure na ba menya they need others. No to kona Wiper stood out very well na constituency ngecha united opposition. That's a very measured balance njaga and oni kuringana nani in overall the government kana kiama ka UDA kinyake kibati ko smell the coffee non to rande equation Mount Kenya ni kuonekana nujaje Mount Kenya is na tuna the deputy president na itukuwa resources iri tumirikite na batiromba ko win na commanding victory na rikane the bigger part of the mountain the other side ko katuge ora tugre go back to the drawing board nya Gen Z and to fact Gen Z bado itukugete kuonekana ko nya Gen Z aba koma mitandaone wake up call to the Gen Z batetonya kenine kugera maiga itukwenda kuona reflection yangwa ya kura so far kuringana hani eje ne indicative mono kira to ekterete kuona 2027 na kethero is a equation ketha ODM ka hold non to monkatha hii tukonyania inya William Ruto tike UDA iki ODM na ndike ODM kara united na eje support ngalau President William Ruto akethero na njurewe yonde ya two term ikethero ena something to show but ODM kagaukana na rande united opposition ka take lessons echo kuma this by election then one term might come to suffice.
Salesio kidore kindiki nabati ukarande na kupomp champagne dai in okay I know he does not drink but nabati ukarande na kwambiri okongwera atinara chindire mbere not
you should be a worried man.
Why?
Anjuki example na Kasipur na rea Meru borado kikite mtu in proxy no koda that was a resounding win.
Yes.
16,000 na 8,000 the gap is big. It's wide by half. Eja wa Muthende na Karis ote mtu terari na 15,000 yewe difference imagana jana magana jana tija ku celebrate mato that's a wake up call KDP
but ukiambiria tu a win is a win.
A win is a win leto kugeta win but going forward 2027 state machinery area barari na yombere but umba kumeri redistribute across
the 290 constituencies
but umba Martin ikion kugeta wake up call Gachagua is not a man to ignore ukethirwa kainya karabara yako kanini ikara tumira bareta state machine in a difference ire make it it's only 400 votes 2027 might be a game changer na worry neke 2027 state machinery ire barari nayo barakia mwanka MPs ba mtu akethwe kwa wakita tairaga agichwa gore achoka na history does not lie baraba ingi batichoka Martin na niontu bakethiro ura tukuga na karimi bere tuchoka onea antu baba mtonto keta agisupportaga William Ruto Ruto akona kura na agekura
especially the incumbent
MPs most of them at least 90% we can state that
wow.
So
90 Korea
90 itarea Meru it's 99 no mwaki umpo choka bro underground mi naongea maneno ya ground na nuje ni mbara ya factory ikalichie stubborn umpenda kanondege hiyo ni shida yako lakini ngokwira uma underground siku zuri bagachoka nomwe na baingi ibaire ini Meru kwena revolt ere within na etithongi ruoro tithongi so kiran kuga kekendeke na bati gucoka drawing board kaire atege strategies ira gutumira kwethirwa na bati ko amplify in 2027 kana na bati ko change na wali kana itutoire omwira achane na hawa watu ambao wako elected tai bati na influence on the ground na natige michemanio ya wikianto erundune natiga michemanio ya wikianto Karen nachoke ground a interact na ground yongwa naoni mbaya jaga example ya mtu mwente kira kwa jana example mtu etagwa Raim Unajua Raimu hayuko huko on rooftops za gari. Raimu utimwithira no. Raimu ukamwithira kiri antu. Kotho imaomborezi ukethira no ngo gwita ati utumana.
Aina public participation somewhere.
Public participation no ngo gwita ati utumana.
Ari uteregete na atigira mantu ja umurumu.
Ego nda chemeni na we town. Ego nda chemeni ya we town. Na ketho anthikirite can confirm that. Na tura chemeni corridor de. MPs banga no chemani abo corridor de. Corridor na tu street and I was walking. I met with him. In a rating crowd yare. So ni example nkweja na kindi kia komba na adapt that. Anto baba baraba inge bagachurire gotire awantu awachurire gotire awa.
Celesio.
Atu batumira resources tiawe iria batikothwe tumaira ground in person.
Kindiki is the deputy president. You don't expect really utirimana nwe corridor na somewhere.
Nduka tata mwanaga
imbiara direge nare mbere. Na nyunya chai egirete ngogostia braki.
Kana joke deputy president.
Atko mtungi uronere mukawe na yu.
Ai mukawe na
Nyamo ndia.
Arare mukawe na.
Kwa irari mchezo ya town.
Arebe kituru hilo.
Mchezo ya town. So Eric, the only question ni ate ero au kiri kadeti standard karimi ya ituthomera baraua it is 20 kilometers kuma ward in I don't know which one.
Barauga kuma Mwankene joa mbere na Tharaka gwita Irundu it's around 20 kilometers.
Around 20 kilometers. So these 20 kilometers na Kindiki and to put a lot of effort. Aitindana na mto umete close to around 50, 60, 70 kilometers inge kuma Nyeri.
Over the mountain.
Actually, it's the other side of the mountain. It's the other side of the mountain. Na over 20 kilometers akikuma waku na inyera yonde katharikara konde Kindiki arekaira. Ilibidi eti reinforcement kuma kiri all government agencies irachi yonde china by Ruterero Mount Kenya. It was he struggled.
He struggled. And I think kirato batu kuchuria Kindiki inu. Hata Kindiki jeresi hasene. Nije kuna ground master irato batu kuhariria. Kindiki jeresi kwa senator Tharakanithi au mito kwa wakili Ruto in the Hague. Jare kirwa na party akuga ija anointing appointment. Kindiki Kinyatharaka. Non tunaenda kwa governor, but it's a bid that could not etiomba ko yield. Non Kindiki atare mwanasiasa wakili Don in the university ja wakilisha Ruto at the Hague eri ward wako dhidi yake ama I think eretia ne gitarira kana eri
Ruto ya URP
rande bako eja baungana the first RS ajira kwa senator so team to ground kinyakera kya mutethiri guthe mwana Kindiki the bishop ko Kindiki atena grounding fair to say kinyako ija kwethwa deputy president reja kwethwa tutomba kuga tenta kuzira Kindiki na cho inyaja mero niriku ere deputy president irio anto bambire kungana ko associate no tutomba kuga tere kwe teams are na cho apanga ethroembio kinya kwa deputy president noja ora ere senator or Tharakanithi that is the reality na tatu kuga that can remain forever ikiwa tukuga Kindiki na but wengo kumenyana na filters na nikiara yonke mwendera nonto deputy president ombere tuona from our region na but ko mobilize a solid political support na but kotonya ground otukuga nonto Kinya Ruto ora mutethi nya gotonya ground ere Uhuru Kenyatta nonto gataka Uhuru ya barenga siasa na Ruto Uhuru atumaga Ruto in advance na resources na akakumbu connect na baba monka Ruto athithia ground I inherit ground era Uhuru arenyo so kuja kuita Ruto it was very difficult so Kindiki ana a very good chance ekomba ko mobilize na kichungu kiuga you don't fatten the cow on the market day ikino ntoko kuona the easy on the market day Kindiki achiathirite na steroids chonde 20 kilometers from home kugeria konoria ndaeka ya mwicho.
Steroids,
It should have been very easy. Orera aere deputy president. Kana non tuteka deputy president but ko surprise ke wana ontore. Kinyarira UDA. UDA thojaga deputy president. Kwari we na Gachagua. From that point Kindiki na bat kwithirwa co-act na kwithirwa akitonyaga makanisa ne ke community KMB non to thai retired deputy president title kuma kithore Kindiki. What leader are we left with? I leader batu tore amiru tomba kwa associate. Kana kinya baraba kuga to politicians baraba kuga we support Kindiki. Baruga to support non to no. The deputy president, sorry. You know to bata itwera ya deputy president. Turenda substance Kindiki as a person, as a leader. No kuona. Ni hata dhaisi kuna debate a kingpin came to attain a position anywhere in government na mtu deputy president. You know to stature as a person. Non to kwe stature Kindiki tumbite kwithirwa nai. Eneo. Ko ito kwenda kuona value Kindiki beyond kwa ke deputy president.
Thank you. You know, I meant to ask Salesio kwethirwa ushindi bwa Bere North kwethirwa ndibo kwa Kindiki a lifeline as he wants to nini kwethirwa ibo mwa a lifeline ya kuendelea kwethirwa ndi deputy president beyond 2027 because kire baba ingi barona ya Kindiki muthende akiochindwa then that's all Ruto atena ngwenu erengi so ushindi bobwa kura mana yana 94 nibo kwa Kindiki lifeline.
It's a slim lifeline. It's not a resounding win. A difference ya 400 ni kuona ni Kindiki na nguge nkoroki assignment yene na mono ya kurita. And I would pray very much to revive rwario rwa kwethia Kathuri minister.
Kendai
At least mero riu tuna chance ya by election ya gitikia senator tunenkere Kindiki another chance tuone kwethirwa that gap ya 400 no am increase ya kinyi even 2000.
You know I know you enda kwa battery but do you think you have a place in heaven?
Is there heaven? Heaven you were
anyway, so now are you telling me that Professor Thai enango editor ya kurita
he should be a worried man enango nene mono ya kurita na mati nkwiraga number 1 mwanka Thai inke kwatora my brother kuga kinde kitiga title wake ya deputy president ata convince Mumeru ata convince monto Mount Kenya East ateu ou en a solid voting block yawe. Number 1 mwanka na arua tukuthiria mwaka jumwe na mweri jumwe Kindiki kwa deputy president atomba kuthithia umkamin pate kwawe
but nedri to na
example tungo kwa egintu kire at least wejaga kikonania wena riri. Cabinet secretaries have been able to do that.
Sijaona president akibwithia umcoming uko Sugoi.
Ote president wanathithia umcoming ankuga at least where as a deputy president we kana situation ikware aruma na kuthithia ikware aruma na kuthithia
Kinya Ruto atabwithia umcoming
ne bounce
ya Kindiki
kodori kana ne na rumors ne thithagua
wanja karere preparation cha hapo mono Kinyati umcoming na karere almost 4 months berinya Kinya Aland Meru monka kesiere kawira na mutuma edithebora
actually Tharaka Nithi took him a year
kuchoka kawire kaire kwa wenja
exactly
so ikiongo kwira riu masabu jawe mono na ugitaraga ODM ni this broad based government ni kwenda stake in 2027 na ugatega ODM ego convince itebira bionde ira contestaga na kunde ira contestaga tiga kia Kariobangi itiromba ku deliver na kia Narok KMCA
na birechi ndete
resoundingly with a big margin ODM ego proof it's a voting block Ruto ako need.
Eric no twira Ruto you know na inheritire kirindi kia Uhuru. From where I sit na buran kuona kuri ntuku imwe bare I think was it Embu kana Kirinyaga rera rietara tanga rejire awire huyu kijana na ni mburuhusu atangatange so Ruto akenda aetikiria kindi kia shine will he allow that?
Well, otem tuwete kairua ke siasa. Kinya Ruto ka take advantage. That ewe bati kwetho eko mu di campaign. Politics iguitoma. Ote silver plata. Na aina chance. Taito deputy president eremu waka the entire country. Kira to kuga kethro atukomba ku consolidate region eji. Na solidification kinya amwana kwethero na kumba kuthithia homecoming ikuga ana identity inenya tingo to own this is home aja ne onja our deputy president tigo itobati kwetho tukionaga in government tuena sauti non to rea tu era no people to rea mero tobati kwetho turere tuithirikari tukiomba kukinya na tina methia biara tukinya to akinya na tukamenya this is our government feeling iwireo rera tukagara tukigera ku debate to 2 term kana 1 term.
Why is the feeling not there?
No tore tutena assertiveness tutekuomba kuona kwa inya maendeleo nije 1 year is enough to redirect development ende kindike aratonyithiro ke theories mbuga jaira cha kwa professor cha gwetaga antu ko twariria mantu ja tukathithia na ona jaka promising is promises icho chikatethia taga nonto bwana Salesi tu na gona tu gweta state kuma Karen tu gweta Karen there were new promises to eta state house change another set of promises na enkorika na kwanza tu na irundune kwanza tu Karen the first meeting ito edithirinya ka committee karaka abati ku assess delivery manzura to eriro within how many days
6 months
na niche athirire ende kethira itwetika state house kuambia another set of promises kira tuena worry as a community nyakethe tu accept kwetha tuena giteke deputy president what we want evaluate gitekira kiae kia deputy president itwethe tuena cabinet ministers here bara tuonete matunda na community ne bari wadete na baethia community leaders ugateka bakirete murungira bari minister of energy steamer we saw electricity no kona ituonete value ya Daudi Mwira ariare abare mawaziri na ndetwena the second in command ikyo community kwenda na ikyo ntokuga kinyaga etera 2027 value yake kana kuga kenwa deputy president tengana ino tukuga atefatende kao then tuja kuirwa ngano deputy president support mwetu itokwenda kuona value na nkithirika area issue eje MPs baratu napo quality lead members of parliament nonto ramto ere member of parliament bobati kuthenya baethere kindiki mantija to kwaria jabati kuthaja kiuma ki MPs ko kasira yao ekethera ne kuskuma na tukaona tangible development indi otaga maendeleo ja to kuona ijara ja gwetwa kilije development thirikari uga bracket tore akaba thoko tukona thoko inka ino na angi no bakona thoko tutukuona extra value ira yomba kwa to associate twingwa tumba kujukia ojo mwana wetu na leader o Mount Kenya East na itebatu kwa debate mantu jabatu kwa jongo jaki chionya ndege
so Salesio you know bawa politics ne perception kana bura wa chiono nyokari nibo most of the times anto bakuyukia so as much as tukuo shindibo ni uchindibo cheke sana boa mbere north you know no to ate ushindibo na ande as slim as it might be create perception ya thirikari na kindeke 2027 the 494 votes will they count in 2027 na maybe tiarara menkoloki kuibuo anto bakono ushindibo because you know let's be frank ushindani bo burari mbere ni bo 1 term na 2 term so we let ushindi bo bokongela crown ya 2 term koloki genuine organic crown non to bo ushindi bo the perception ile create ni ushindi bo bwa kureji 494 beroncho kiri kiure kiu kandi kani muthikiri wa Weru FM na mutegeri wa Weru TV ati shangwe at 25 no yitite na mbere Safaricom no kungwira miaka 25 ya kwithwa yekwo tungata butumba kwa nano kinyana buriko na ndipo nto kinyaba kwenda withdraw uri mushindi kinyabo no nto no bembete kwithwa beshinda na kumba kwithwa bai kinyaba kinyite miaka 25 ya kwithwa bai kwa tungata na bari kwira atire ukiakura data bado ukiakuinya star 444 hash kana star 444 hash then ukethra ukiona point kana entries ya ukuma kiri machindano ya kana kiri draw ya shangwe at 25 nkuluki no withre ukita ndukene kana supermarket kana kinyawa atuma mbecha na kana okarea na M-Pesa ukulukira till number kana pay bill number na ukethra ukiona entries kiri shangwe at 25 all you need to do ni utumira services just Safaricom every day worotu maira tuka makawaida no kethro kana wongele actually wongele nkuluki nikenda withdraw au kumakiri mashindano ya na kinyo kethro ukiona kanya kethro ishinda drinki milioni imwe ira yoshindanirwa Yvonne Wanjiko ni mukari wa Nteria Kiambu ni mwari mwanake sana miaka 20 arethro aichinda milioni imwe na ongelo 250,000 cha kurita ngwira kwenda kana murandi jura kwenda nturene yo kwithro aikuria ntura na burethiri ni data ya drinki 20 ya kiaurire so pia wewe unaweza shinda leo na nkuluki kwena ashindi bangi ngiri thatu bo chindanira drinki ngiri 10 na Jumamosi eje bakethra bari Nteria cha Embu bari na kintu bawita Safaricom Green Box of Wonder au bakwithro ichindira mburi ukaithro ichindira nguku ichindira mariko intobia korua so many other things ile kire Green Box of Wonder eje nende chekinyatha ithatu kilokete daika 4 na 3
ndina shindi badatu aja kire SMS kwena mtu kuga mimi kama sina Safaricom siwezi fanya kazi naitumia zaidi ya miaka 18 na ninaipenda juu inanunua bando M-Pesa biashara yake in short atumira laini yewe Safaricom kiri biashara na kinyane tu akisawa areitwa Lawrence Muthomi Mburugo kuma Karirwara mtongeo gwetwa Martin Mwirigi ariuga unisaidia kwa shop I have a till number customers batumaira kwithira bakiria bills na kinyane tu aki strong na bundles very strong na kaire nomba kwithirwa agitumira M-Pesa ontuko ari kuntukunde ndene ya dunia u aritwa Martin Mwirigi na kwina ongea riuga ithethairwa Somalia etherwa rikiri peacekeeping mission ile huko Somalia ananitumia pesa vizuri sana gukurukira M-Pesa and I also paid my school fees through M-Pesa manufaa ya Safaricom ni mengi Sherifa kutoka Isiolo naomba nitumie ID yako
congratulations kiri badhato bauba ichindira dringi ngiri ithato mtu ngiri twenda kubwa maoni yaku na muthikiria kirero arero toro ntuko ruari yoro ni kurari na kithurano na mpumi chambirite kwithiro ikiuma actually yakachumite chionde na kiri thurano B24 UDA I mean broad based katuwe ni chindete ite 13 over half so Salesio Koyoto kari the perception erera kirietero no ushindi bo I am sure baraba ingi barua credit ni kiri kindike but how much of support ushindi bobo kwa dhabu kiongela
perception hiyo kedho short lived in the sense that antuba mbere barerirwe bwara kuringira thirikari buteona maendeleo buteona njira buteona 1 2 3 promises iria my brother akwaragiaje na ituije thirikari ore kurita ngoge ite ko deliver those promises so ushindi bubu kada bwe short lived sawa ba gushinda but with the time intobiria biaura perception ichinche kaire number 2 opposition take kethore mami na ete mami igacho ekauma kethe drawing board bije dai baratonya drawing board bakaumira kaire ku counter that win so how will thirikari na eketherwa irinde atia kunenkanira ya ribato ya that counter so ikionkugetero be a bit short lived ite throire for so long na ite change mono what might happen in 2027 but all in all kindikia na ngoge ndito mono ekulita
okay Eric mbithro mpatitie bwana atia ngiakuwa nendi Mount Kenya in general itutam It's a perception.
Well, no, kirega perception unakyo. Uketha watitie nontu tutiromba kwathurana. Kiro kikyo jora Celeste ugere kare ke Mount Kenya East. Na tutiragia ikinonto kuga mbuga to another by election. Kenda tumbare kenda kuna necessary kuna sufficient basis eu ake ikaonjo tu kugambuga one term or two term ego chinda inde toga very marginal na tuge proportion that electoral area mbere ke the entire mountain mbuga nyete ko kinya third omba ko sample omba ko represent non to Mount Kenya as a general na kuringana about 5 to 6 million.
Yeah, they're about.
So electoral zone eje na rikana ora tugere machinery tumiri in that small area eka very thin to Kenya 2027 igitare unya president Kinya kendeke wengwa agethora athiurunkite kila mahali ndonaga Kinya nto bana aspirations kana yani jeshi yonde UDA in the mountain irari in one area na barachina na only one person so it will be a very premature assessment kuga Mount Kenya two term and to Kinya okateka indication Kinya cha munene onthiguru attention when you meteke Mount Kenya to a very frank kitumikira ateta kuchwa broad based government is survival no to Nigeria tena Mount Kenya no kona na eu ake wengwa kwithirwa Kinya ngwa atiromba ko step foot kana kugeria ko make any comments na ogataka monka na ogataka why did they come together with ODM na wengwa nya kwithirwa ake ugaga is a founder member of ODM association each on the each panic na each kugeria kuonyania that hope weti Mount Kenya kairi na Kinya to Mount Kenya those are things they need to look at no to Kinya this victory they looked for it by hook and crook tunataka kuona irari ondwa na nyadha hizi kwa na polling station bado nyanda ataka mitandaone the united opposition kuga that results witachi adrana na tunkwete kia the polling station irari thiru nyako hithi no kuona so it might be short lived so kuga no this can be challenged na wancha if that goes through in a court of law toga choka kethurano kaire ankwere it will be difficult for their candidate to win non to perception eu kuga ega choka the other way around that they did not actually win they stole the election
Salesio tudrie na mbere north urenge ikwejita by election ingi isele non to MC wa Evorore na Muminji ibari saine kenda ba kurombe tiki which they missed so ikwejita by election ingi are we expecting another state machinery ko wako wira tiki ya MCA
definitely kago onto kono kadoi bara roja na kia Kariobangi na kia Narok it will tell you bakenda kuona nia nenko imponenya
especially because it is Mount Kenya
yes imponenya post ya one of their stunt bloggers eta kwa Mithamo imponere akiuga they are coming strongly ko stamp the authority ya UDA gite bibio biere it's another contest na ikija ingwete kia state machinery kedo erimo nonto tiketi kimwe rege korwerwa ni tebiere na ikija ere very strong mtu gwetwa Cecily Barire akienda kuona nyawe na more numbers in the county assembly chia 2 more added MCAs dikana Karisi atari wowe Karisi arari ombasi na mbere ke kura chia 2022 ke Cecily Barire itathongi atari na wini no wini erere ni kivuti so kende nyawe a maintain momentum wewe 2027 kuona this will be a good voting block akenda kuromba as the chairperson wa UDA that state machine ikite bibio biere
okay Eric tuingire na tuire atiri you know now that Mbarire na CS Roko were very active in this politics. What is their future? Kire siasa cia Mount Kenya na Embu in particular.
Well, they put up a good fight. Bachatira na inya sana. And the dynamics of chia Embu igapli nonto at this point to kuga delivery victory je tutomba kwa associate purely ki Ruko na Mbarire itokona kwa na factor state machinery kugeria ku judge kana kutaka what is their fate a little far fetched nonto dynamics o kya makairi keja rikana nokuga kwa na factor ni kivuti and through this campaign Kinyan Justin Muturi rato expect akaronga magete kya governor wengo na ugete aga support Leni Kivuti Karinda still has a long way to go kira ke for the rapa no da ine perception no to ketekira chindero bagire ku capitalize na assumption ka ukenda bomba kuona ja kapomba kudidebora but it a little far fetched dynamics na ora baringa kura na clanism na mbiga achoka okaire na kuetera kuona what happens after this declaration na kedha kuona any petitions kana contests against this election John the jaka adapt together kuona what we see in 2027
of course na tutiraweta kiama kia Kawira Mwangaza UMP nikirari na candidate
kiava karimi
Marare akura 18 to merebe.
Marare akura 18. Ambuge it was a good kuthorongi kita candidate with a political party.
With all due respect kire Kawira Mwangaza, I feel like ara feel the candidates back nonto bangi bareto ba campaignera.
Actually nionkwejete ndauga it was first of all good. Bere makurungi ka candidate. Tionto raisi kuthoro wina kiama o sponsor candidate na arungama na clear. That's a credit. Give it. Number 2, failure na neko reflect tu Kawira Mwangaza is urongeka rotia chieta wa Chioninka no Chioninka nonto atera umira tinyo officials bapatewe turabona in those areas bagi campaign no at least ituronaga mtojo mochore kwa chama cha kazi
ngorika no mbiketie no itarimwe
Moses Aracho mete mono
na chio mete o campaign ra mtowe mto safina iturone antu bawe barojo ri no bonde so Kawira antu bawe ina barare so it's also a caution kire Ameru na antu bange baba kenda kurunga makia magike come 2027 gotiona that support.
Thank you gentlemen, time is up.
6.4